welcome to Trenchless Technology Television. This is Jim Rush, editor of Trenchless Technology Magazine, and we're here at the 2010 NODIG show. I have with me Norm Sirna. He's one of the founding members of the North American Society for Trenchless Technology, so it's an honor to have you with us today. Norm, if you could just kind of give us a little bit of background on your professional career and your professional path prior to joining or launching NASTT.
Well, I originally started with the St. Louis MSD in 1956 when they first developed the concept of putting all the different sewer districts and cities into one metropolitan sewer district. And I started out green in sewage treatment, and at that time sewage treatment was not a big item. And so I switched over to sewer maintenance because I thought I could do more and have more flexibility. And I worked at MSD in various capacities. I think in '59 they started the downspout removal, which was a big thing in those days. And then I was put in charge of the downspout removal. At that time, TV inspection was a new concept, and I was put over in charge to help MSD develop and build a TV unit. And from there, I got the bug and went out into contracting, and I started with the old original penetrant system, and I guess involved from there, just kept going. And finally in 1981 Bob Miller and I started our own company, Specialty Sewer. We called it Specialty because we wanted to be different than the other companies, and we ended up being a specialist in large pipe inspection, tunnel inspection, large pipe chemical grouting. And we then, because of the work we were doing, the industry couldn't keep up with what we were doing. So in 1991, we developed the fiber optic transmission for TV cameras. And from then on, it just kept growing.
Okay. So you're telling me you're involved with NASCO, and that's how you got involved with the development of NASTT.
I was president of NASCO in 1988 and again in 1989. And in 1990, the concept was that we needed more. NASCO was a small group centered on really sewer rehabilitation and inspection, and the need was for more pipeline inspections, waters, gas, and then that's how the concept for NASTT. And as president of NASCO, I was asked to represent NASCO as one of the contracting groups to help form NASTT, and then 5 of us met about 6 times and involved into what now is NASTT.
Okay, and as we were putting together the 20th anniversary book, you mentioned the contribution of the initial seed money. Can you tell a little bit about how that came about and what kind of impact that had on the development of the society?
Well, you know, when you start, nobody has money, so we needed money to get things started. And being in the industry for quite a few years, I started out making 6 phone calls and asked for $1,000 each from 6 different contractors, and we ended up with 7, and that was our seed money, $7,000.
Okay. When you look at the attendance here today and all the people involved in the society, what's your reaction to how it's evolved and where it is today versus when you guys started?
Well, we started with 5 members, and I believe we had initially 56 different contractors and engineers joined as members, And of course now we have well over 1,000 members in NASTT, and we're involved in all the different aspects of anything underground, which that was the original thought, that we could take care of anything underground.
Okay, well, thank you, Norm. I appreciate your time today, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.